Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Packard Vettel C 15.6 inch Full HD Celeron Notebook. These are some of the features that it has. It's an Intel processor, Windows 11. The screen size is 15.6 inch. It has Full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Your storage, it has a SSD 128 gigs, 4 gig DDR RAM. It has Wi-Fi and it has 4.2 Bluetooth. So let's unbox it. That's a charger for it there. It's a 12 volt 2 amp charger. This is the pin. There's a very small pin. Notebook charger, that's a manual. Alright guys, so this is what your Packard Vettel C looks like. It's a very slim design, metallic grey in color. There's your webcam. Let's look at the ports on the left hand side. That's your charger port, your USB port and your HDMI port. It has an Intel processor. Let's look at the ports on the right. That's your port for your memory card slot. It has an auxiliary or earphone slot and a USB slot. That's the size of it. It's a very slim design, very lightweight. Very slim and compact. That's the front of it. That's the back of it. It has a very flat surface. That just shows your speaker system, where it's made in. That's your speaker on the right and your speaker on the left. And that's it guys.